Hey guys, we're going to be doing a engine video on all of our engines. Crazy? I'm not crazy, I am smart. They've been asking in the comments, I think they've been asking in the comments, I've looked at the comments and they've been saying, what engines do you have? So we're going to show you guys right now. You guys can help me out? No? Alright. We'll be right back once we're ready. Before we start with our engines, let me show you our gang. First up we have Brian. And if you push this button down, you push him up. Second we have one of my favourites, which is Bertie. Finally we have, no, I'm already recording. Finally we have Alfie. And Alfie can spin around, put that out, and dig. Another one we have is Elizabeth. She's an all-time favourite. And finally, Terence. They're not actual engines, but engines with faces. Terence. Let's start with the engines. Start with the engines. First of all, we have Marion. A local steam shovel in the Tale of the Brave. Yeah, in the Tale of the Brave. Next we have Billy, which is in the old series, not the new ones with the Mighty Mac and all that. They're in the old series. He's got pretty cool. Another one is Click All the Engines. Another one we have is Mighty Mac. So this one's Mighty here. It's got Mighty there. And this one is Mac. They are a single engine. They can go back and forth. The next engine we have is Salty, whose numbers, if I didn't really know, I noticed, which is 2991. Salty is an old-time favourite, Dockside Diesel. One of the series I like is when Salty goes to the quarry and then doesn't like it. Another engine is Connor. This is the front of Connor. He's a streamlined boat with fun attitude and fun. Apart from when he's caution. And this is Connor's tender. He is streamlined. Also with his sister, Caitlin. Connor and Caitlin both have their own series who are from the mainland. There's writing at the back. I've noticed there's writing. This is a 2012 engine. Next engine is Spencer. Another streamlined, but not as good of a streamlined job as Caitlin. I don't know why they didn't do much as a good job as a streamlined as Caitlin, but Spencer is a boastful little man who was made in 2003. So this guy is pretty old. Here's his tender. Right, the next engine we have is TJ, do you mind helping? Oh my God. Is Molly. We don't need those. Is Molly? Molly was only in one episode. Yeah. Was that right? Yeah. Molly was only in one episode. I wish, if you're watching this, people who make Thomas, add Molly in again. Molly was an old-time favourite when she screws up in one of the old Thomas series. But yeah, she's one of my old-time favourites. Next we have Boastful Gordon. We haven't done Flora yet. It's Gordon. The one that we want is Streamline Gordon. I'm busy.
I don't freaking care.
Okay.
It doesn't care. I don't care. I'm bleeding. I don't care.
You can't bleed from a cat bite.
Show me. I don't trust.
There's Gordon. And here we go. A oil burning engine from the SC TJ Tyler. Do you know what the Soda Clay Company is what SCC stands for? We want to get Bill and Ben. There's Timothy's name. She's an oil burning engine. The difference between oil burning is that the oil burning engines.
Tyler, you gotta use this. Tyler.
The next is Murdoch, which I want Murdoch. I want Murdoch to come.
Is this cracked?
No.
Don't care.
The next engine we have, guys, be quiet, is Murdoch. Another engine that only was filmed in one episode.
Yeah.
And that one episode was when it was the cup, which was pretty good. Kids, just line them up, Where he was in just one episode where Thomas was competing to be the best. He got the medal at the end. But some of these engines are from the old series.
Yeah.
Do you know what? I'm going to put the engines at the side that are only been shown once and are in the old series. Next we have Steady Eddie. It's not Steady Eddie, it's Edward. It's my all-time favourite. Now these hats on the bottom of these are ones where there's a station, you would chuff it by and it would talk to you. But they've sadly don't do them anymore. Would have been good though. So there's a little Edward.
Diesel 10.
And D2 and Edward's tender. Don't forget Digi61's over there.
Yeah, thanks.
Next we have is one of the logging locos from Misty Island. It's Bash. Difference you can tell between Bash and Dash is looking underneath. Plus, Bash has a blue coat and Dash has a orange coat. That is how you tell the difference. There is really no other difference between the two engines apart from their different colour.
We're doing the lows next.
They're different colours. That Bash, Dash. Alright, we're going to have to speed this up. Next we have Henry. Henry does not have his tender because we bought this without a tender.
Nah.
eBay. Oh, Emily has changed along the series. She used to be someone that everyone would hate from the old series, but now Emily's an old favourite. With Emily, I love Emily's paint mark though.
Same.
Emily stars a big part in the Great Race.
Yeah.
Most of the engines do. The next is our Farquhar Quarry. Do you know what's weird? Shrek, Farquhar. Shrek and Farquhar. They are from. Are you from Shrek? We'll get Shreked. Now.
We can't find our James for some reason.
Yeah, oh, that's another. Here we go. We have Stephanie, the Blue Bell engine. Stephanie is a. I think it's a. Here's an idea. I do not know what Stephanie is. Could you guys do me a favour? Search up on the internet and put in the comments what Stephanie is. Standard or narrow gauge?
Yeah, we do not know.
The next we have is our Brio favourite. These are the old Brios. We have Duncan. Doesn't have the name on the bottom because it's Brio. Difference between two. Non-Brio has name and Brio doesn't have the name. Brio doesn't have the name. Plus, Brio's got its symbol on the back. That doesn't tell the reading underneath. Brio's logos have changed. They've changed to just the words Brio and it's green. But there's a look at Duncan. Duncan is a narrow gauge engine. One of my favourite narrow gauge engines. Oh, next is an old-time favourite.
No, have we done Billy?
Yeah. Next is an old-time favourite, and that is Gator, who actually looks like an alligator. I am serious. Like
People in if you see Tale the Brave, you would see Gator.
his real name. Oh God.
Oh, we need. Have you done
Merlin. No, it's not Merlin. It's
Nathan?
yeah.
Shush.
Yes, and put that down, Mel.
Sorry about this, guys.
Gator is. Oh, Gator has a real name, but I cannot put my finger on it. On Gator's real name. It looks like a gator. I love that. I love the texture that it makes it look like a gator. Here's two more Brios. We have Brio Thomas and Brio Percy. Thomas and Percy are the main engines. Oh, next we have the three series. Tyler, where's the cold Percy?
I'm looking for that.
It's there.
Where?
The 3-in-1 pack, which is Percy.
This one?
Percy, no, that one there. Percy. Yeah,
Oh,
and
no,
these are,
we got 4.
and it's Cold Percy, Frozen Percy, Chocolate Mistaken Percy, and that's it for those. The next one is a set, which is a Sodor Day. No, not that. Sodor Day set. We have Sodor Day Stanley, which has Welcome to the Great Waterton. And the next one is Sodor Day, which is Thomas. Alright, we're running low on time, so I'm just going to go through. This one is a Brio, no name. So this is just Alright.
We call it Hugo.
Hugo, we call it Hugo. These are our lines of Thomases. All the same. Thomas. Wait, let's check the differences. This one was made in 2003. What? 2003. What?
Remember when you called yourself on the...
Yeah. 2003 and... Oh, 2003s. But this one, they forgot the lines. And those guys have way more detail.
That one's mine. That one is the details one.
They're all detailed. Oh, next one we have is Steven. First ever engine to actually work well as an engine. Do you know what I love? Is that it shows detail in these pistons. It's not flat. It's just all bumpy and bumpy.
What's Stephen made in?
Oh, Steven was made in...
I want to see what's Flora made in.
.212. Alright, the next engine we have is Brio James. We need a real James, but we don't have a real James. Here's a Brio James. Snazzy. Next on the line.
2012 is Luke.
2012 Luke. Luke is from Blue Mountain Mystery. Same with Peter Sam, but Peter Sam's in more episodes. The next one we have is a Brio Scarlowy. We need actual of these engines, apart from Percy and Thomas, because we've got 4 Percys and 4 Thomases. Oh yeah, here's another Percy, by the way. That actually goes in that set. Percy. That's a complete set there. Alright, we've got a couple more left. And the couple more left is, where's Clarabelle? We need to add Clarabelle as well.
Clarabelle is...
Oh, we'll do that for another video. Next we have is an old favourite, Proteus, which actually lights up. That button there. We'll be right back after... at the end of this video. We'll just show you now. We'll be right back. Here's a sneak peek at what it looks like. So there you go. Just chuffs through to the other side. There you go. There's a sneak peek. That's what it looks like in a tunnel for Proteus. Next we have... Oh yeah, guys, count them for us. What you bothered to count? Next we have is another logging loco. Bam, bam, bop, which is Ferdinand. Which in the movie he has those toilet things. We're just not having these. Alright. 3 more to go. We have Stanley. Another talking one. Brio Diesel 10. Pretty cool. And finally, Flora, which was made in 2003. So most of these engines are made in 2003. Thanks for joining in. And yes, we hope you guys enjoyed our video. Most probably next video we'll do a livestock video. But we don't have enough time for livestock video. Oh yeah, and also motorized Thomas, motorized, and there's another green motorized. Put in the comments what you want us to name, what you want us to name, what you want us to name to these engines here. So you got this one and this one, same number and all. Alright, so this is the end of this video, and hope you guys enjoyed. thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later with the people that didn't really help me for this video.
Bye.
See ya. Bye.